Hi guys! In this video we're going to be looking at the different levels of adjectives. So the first level is your normal adjective, which is the stuff that you normally use. So like big, small, shiny, funny, fussy. The second one is comparative. So we're going to be comparing two things, normally a noun to another noun. And our third one is superlative, which gives the greatest quality of something. So like I am the best at mathematics, or I am the funniest person in my class. Okay, let's look at some examples. Chris is funny. The adjective here is funny. And that is a positive adjective because that's a normal adjective. The next one, Chris is funnier than Johnson. So it's comparing Chris to Johnson, which makes it comparative. So the word funnier is a comparative adjective. And my last example, Chris is the funniest. Funniest gives me the greatest quality of being funny, which means that funniest is superlative. We'll do one more example. This one is one that I know a lot of students do get confused about. So there's bad. I am bad at singing, and all of my students know I am terrible at singing. So that's a positive adjective because that's the normal adjective. Now, there is no such word as badder, and that's something that a lot of students do get confused about. So it is I am worse at singing than someone else. In this case, I am worse at singing than Alina. Now remember, the word is worse, not worser. A lot of students always say, I'm worser than you at something. And I keep having to correct them because there is no such word as worser. Worse is the comparative. And the superlative of bad is worst. I am the worst at singing. So hopefully that's cleared a few things up for you. Normally with comparative adjectives, for most words you just add er. So funny becomes funnier. But for some special words you do need to change it. So bad becomes worse, good becomes better. So things like that. And superlative, normally you just add est, but at times you do need to change it, like bad becomes worst or good becomes best. Okay, hopefully that's cleared up a few things for you, and I'll see you in the next video.